Nau mai hoki mai rā e te iwi ki te wahanga parakuihi. Now, nōku te maringa nui, this hour we are celebrating another Hawke's Bay organisation, making us proud. Joining me in the studio are Nannies Against P, who have been named finalists in the Whānau Kahukura Awards. Anō reira, e mihi ana kia kōrua, mōrena.
Mōrena.
Akati, first of all, for those hearing about Nannies Against P for the first time, tell us who you are and what the kaupapa is, please.
Yes, certainly. So the Nannies Against P rōpū was established in 2017 under the umbrella of Ngā Kauraihi Trust. So the Trust has operated since 1997, providing health and wellbeing initiatives on marae. Yep, and the Trust represented by local heretaunga marae, Mahiro, Omahu, Runanga, Matahiwi, Te Awhina, and Waimarama.
Ka pai, that is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and why did this kaupapa get off the ground?
Well, actually, it's a need now, more so now, and in further future. Right now, it's a need all over Aotearoa. Let me just carry on a bit. So a board member and kaumata of the Trust shared her terrifying ordeal that her and her mokopuna experienced by her son, who was a methamphetamine, user. Following her kōrero, other members also kaumata shared their experiences. So the Trust decided to organise a hui on Omahu marae, where up to 70 people attended from different organisations, and a lawyer firm and health providers attended. So the first hui was held at Omahu, as I said, then Matahiwi and Kohupātiki marae. From there, meetings, a core group of nannies met every month after that. And since I've been on board, the Nannies Against P has increased. We've got younger ones wanting to come on, younger nannies, who are victims of methamphetamine. Yeah. So we're heading in that way, and we're out there now, Yeah.
Yeah. What have been some of the challenges that Nannies Against P have faced from 2017 to now?
Okay, so actually I can't recall really having any challenges, but I have been thinking the last couple of days there are going to be challenges. I just get some like a download, because we've done a one-day wānanga at Mahiro Whare a month ago, and I invited some lived experience people to come and have a kōrero with us. And so from there, Waimarama had caught onto it, and now they want to have a wānanga as well. So preferably, I prefer that we focus on our maraes around here. Like, see, we have the 6 maraes, but we've got Central Hawke's Bay as well. We've been to Central Hawke's Bay, we've been to Te Pairu marae, and we had a big whānau from Takapau, Purongahau, Waipawa, and it was really, really cool. And so from there, because I've got whānau myself, young nephews and involved with methamphetamine, but they praise us, they want to change. One of my nephews is working at a sign alongside Angatahi, just to change the environment that they themselves are in.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Now, you've been named finalists in the Whānau Kahukura Awards. What did that recognition mean to you?
We're doing something.
Yeah.
We're doing something.
And it was amazing because it's our first time to an award. Sadly enough, not all of us could attend the award, but that was kei te pai. And so we went there, and there our name was picked out, and we were so much looked after.
I was shocked.
Yeah.
Yes. But yeah.
Nā, ataua te, that is beautiful. What changes have you seen over the years with the mahi that you've been doing?
It's opened up.
It has, yeah.
It's opened up more cupboards.
Yeah, it has.
It's opened up to everybody.
Yeah, we've got more opportunities.
Like us, though, we used to hide everything. But since it started, it's opened up.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, karawe. It shows that this kaupapa is bigger than ourselves.
It is, it is, certainly is, yeah.
What messages do you have to share with whānau who may be currently facing something like this, that, they feel so isolated?
Yeah, we need to hear from them first if they want to open up and talk about it, whether they be kuia, whether they be an auntie or uncle, an auntie affected by the thing, by the meth. We need to hear, and I've got a lot of connections. I'm involved with a lot of other things, and it's all to do with methamphetamine at the end of the day, suicide prevention, mental health. And so I make a lot of connections, and so that's helped us on our journey. Yeah.